Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. I am Super Tarzan and cousin is Super Tarzan.
Where are we, Carson?
At the fireworks.
Where are we, KJ?
At the fireworks.
Well, thank you guys for clicking on this video today. If you are here for the fireworks, stay tuned. We're gonna get into it. I'm not doing the intro right now. We are so late. We was rushing here. It's soon come. So we're just trying to get to where we're supposed to be and get this show started.
Okay.
Yeah?
What is that, Carson?
The fireworks!
No, in your hand. What is it called?
I don't know.
Hey, man, I forgot about it.
Yeah, I know.
This is the VIP area. We have water. This is the VIP area. You know why this is the VIP area? Because when all this is over, you're going to be stuck back there. No. We just go to right here.
Kind of makes sense. Get out first. So we are patiently waiting for the show. Stop it. We're waiting for the show to start. Stop, Carson. Are you ready for the show? Are you scared of fireworks?
I'm not. Earlier I was scared at the fireworks, but now I'm not because I'm wearing this Superman shirt.
Oh, so that make you strong and brave.
Yeah?
Show your shirt. Turn around. Let me see your shirt.
Got 18 minutes battery life.
Oh wait,
Can I
it's
take
falling
it
down. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes. Whoa. So, fun fact, while we wait for the show to start. Fun fact about these shirts the kids have on. Come here, KJ. This shirt was the shirt that he wore at his first birthday party. Yes. His first birthday party. Turn around. It came with a cake. The theme was Batman versus Spider-Man. No, Batman versus Superman. And he was Batman and then Carson was Superman. And this is the shirt that he wore at his second birthday party.
Mommy?
Yes.
I want a firework toy when I get a yard.
Okay, no problem. Turn around. With his cake. And yes, Carson's gonna be 5 in 2 days. And he's wearing a shirt from when he was 2. Ow!
Sorry!
And KJ's gonna be 4. Bless you. Gonna be 4 in 1 week in 2 days. And he's wearing a 12-month shirt.
His choice.
His choice. He will not take it off. You think the shirt is too small for you?
Enough letter.
Right there. Right there. Mind our business.
Right there.
Alright. Let's go back and wait again. Carson, you got superpowers now? Huh? What do you mean no?
Because it do not work.
They don't work?
Come in. Okay, let me shake it. Come on now.
That's what I made.
Ooh, what's that?
I made this that universal earth.
Universal Earth.
Let me see. Let me see, what is that?
Universal Earth.
The Universal Earth?
Yeah.
Oh.
I saw that at Disney World.
Oh. I think you saw it at Universal Studios, but yeah, close enough. How you remember that? You was 1 year old. You was 2. No, you was 1. How you remember that?
Because I did it in my mind.
Wow. Got you.
That's the secret, guys.
To remember, you gotta do it in your mind.
He just cracked the code, bro.
Y'all just got a life lesson from a 4-year-old on how to remember things.
Get up the earth.
Yeah. So we are patiently waiting for the official fireworks show to start. Supposed to start at 8:30, I thought, but I guess not. So we're still waiting. But everybody else around the neighborhood is having their own little shows going on. So when I pull the camera out, the random fireworks mysteriously stops. And the one just popped back there. Okay, I'm just waiting for the real show to start because they play on my emotions. I got a crown. Thank you. You getting a necklace?
Yeah.
That whole pieces before this probably was out of focus. The camera was on manual focus. And I just kind of realized. Anyways. You ready for the show? Take it to that.
Yeah!
Behind the trees. It's behind the trees. Huh? They were over there last time. Shots, I can't see nothing. We can't see nothing. Can you see it?
It's okay, it's just fireworks.
It's over. The fireworks are done. 4th of July is done. Thank you guys for watching our very short video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. We are heading home now. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Like my shirt say, watch us travel on YouTube. Subscribe.
Mommy, another people's watching it.
Subscribe.
YouTube, this is another Kaisley.
That one.
Oh, hey. What's up, YouTube? So, courtesy of that one back there. I'm playing prank. Courtesy of Kwanda. I don't know, she got really artistic skill. You see how she used her paintbrush and get all those words perfectly in line and all that stuff? Hey, hit her up, bruh. Hit her up at hey, The link is right here, okay? So make sure you get it. I don't know it, but I know you guys are gonna see it. All right. Hey,
Where the other half to the shirt then?
oh, the other half. Hey, come over here, wifey. Let me introduce you to YouTube. So, bougie, right? We're not used to social media and YouTube and stuff, so she don't know how to act. So, but that's not how you act, baby. Wait. That's not how you act. You gotta act like you've been here before. So, this is wifey and husband. Y'all know where to find it. Once again, the link is right here, or wherever she put it. All right, yeah.
Happy 4th! That's the end of that. Good night.
That's my family, y'all.
And subscribe.
Subscribe! Hit the bell!
Thank you, Michaela.
Subscribe!
Say subscribe. Like.
Like!
Okay, come on. Don't know how to act in public.